Alright, so here's an example of a pretty poorly designed utility knife. Now what this is supposed to be is a switchblade box cutter. So it does work, but here's where I'm at. Like, I wanted to love this thing. Roll my sleeves here. There's a safety on it. Obviously, you don't want it opening up in your pants pocket and slicing off your family jewels, right? So it's got the safety, but is the safety any good? I beg to differ. So see how stiff that is? It really takes a lot in order to engage the safety, and all it is a little tiny piece of plastic nub right there that stops the button lock. So pretty poorly designed, not durable. The button does, fail to actuate when the safety is engaged, which is good. That's the whole point of it. But just disengaging this thing every single time you're going to go cut something, it's like, if I do it with my index finger, I can barely move it. I actually have to use my thumb. And I don't know if this is something that breaks in over time, but to me, that's too aggravating. I mean, if this is the kind of knife that you're just going to have fun with and never engage the safety, never actually carry, because another thing is this clip is so tight. I don't get it. I mean, it's just the spring steel they used is so tight. It will work, but just another critique. But the major problem on this thing is this little flimsy blade holder. So this is pointless. This thumb stud here is not even a thumb stud. It doesn't do anything. It's just for looks. It's actually not for looks. It's actually the pivot for this spring-loaded blade holder mechanism here. So basically, I just think this thing is a poor design all around, and this company, Armed Force Tactical, usually does put out better stuff, and they use a variety of factories for their products, but this one is, I think, a knife that is honestly not even worth 20 bucks. It's a nice idea, as there's really not a lot on the market for, side opening automatic utility blade knives, but it's just poorly executed. I mean, the blade slop on this thing is ridiculous. It's just like a Milwaukee or a Husky or whatever. It's nothing EDC worthy. And then this thing, there's barely any spring tension. See the little notch grabber right there? It's just not enough. So like, if you were to like whip your hand with this thing really hard, I almost feel I had it fly open a few times on me, just messing around, and then it gets stuck like that. And is that safe? Do you want to deal with a blade falling out on you? Like, no. So that's the reason why this is a product that I sampled, I grabbed a few copies of, and I'm like, nope, not for our store. So if you like knife review videos, make sure you subscribe. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. You will see upcoming reviews on our channel, as well as on other channels like Cutlery Lover, Love Them Knives, and many more. So keep your eyes open for some more of our exclusives, and we hope to bring you guys some awesome knife related content. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.